Service Project is working toward the completion of a home just in time for the holidays. Thanks for joining us. I'm Sarah Diamond.
And I'm Casey Marler. Work has been underway in our region since Hurricane Helene to complete 200 homes for those in need. News Channel 11's Karen Jenkins tells us more about how the first of those homes is being finished for a flood victim just in time for Thanksgiving.
Being home for the holidays has extra special meaning for one flood victim who never imagined she would be back in a home so soon after watching hers be washed away less than 2 months ago. Lisa Fender is one of several residents along Tittle Road in Embryville that lost her home to floods.
I seen it go and it floated down just a little ways. And then my dad's, we seen it. The whole house picked up and turned around and it was gone.
But she still feels blessed because some neighbors lost their lives as well. And now Fender is the first to have her home rebuilt by Appalachia Service Project as part of the charity's commitment to repair or rebuild 200 homes for flood victims.
I don't even know how to go about thanking ASP for everything they've done. I thank everybody, and I thank the Lord for letting me and my dad be here today.
Various local contractors are working with ASP to build the homes. Rogers Development volunteered for this one, and Jeff Rogers says it'll be finished in time for Thanksgiving.
We started on this house about 3 weeks ago, and it's just been through just the help of all the subcontractors. I mean, everybody from the county to the subs to the vendors, everybody just wants to help.
ASP's Chris Schroeder agrees and says the homes couldn't be built without the support of partners and volunteers. And now that they have a better understanding of the need, ASP anticipates the number of homes they'll build to grow, possibly triple.
You can't ask for a better blessing for this family, but also it's tangible, visual, visceral hope for others along that road, around Jonesboro and around the community, that things are happening every single day, and we are going to serve as many people as we can, as fast as we can until the job is done.
And there's more good news for Lisa Fender. Her dad's house, which sits about 100 yards away from hers, is also being rebuilt by ASP, and it should be finished in time for Christmas. Reporting in Embryville, I'm Karen Jenkins, News Channel 11.
Thank you, Karen. If you'd like to check out volunteering opportunities through ASP, you can register on their website. They say they're in need of help with roofing, drywall, flooring, foundation, and much more. Appalachia Service projects are spread all across the region, including those impacted by Helene.